Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So this is going to be a quick guide today showing you how to install the new Threads app, so the Twitter competitor from Facebook and Instagram. So to begin, just go to the link in the description and grab the APK file. You can grab it from APK Mirror as well. However, we've got a link here as well, you can use that. So once you've downloaded the app, just open the file on your computer. Once you've found it, just tap on it and accept the installation. If you haven't installed an APK file before, it's pretty easy. It'll just do it automatically. Once the app is installed, the next thing is the most important thing, and that's linking your Instagram account with your Threads account. So if you don't have an Instagram account, you won't be able to use Threads. You need to have Instagram before you can use it. The next most important thing is to remember that once you link them, you can't unlink them without deleting your Instagram account. So if you want to get rid of Threads and delete your Threads account, you'll also delete your Instagram account. This might change down the track, but that's how it is for now. So just something to consider. You might want to make a new Instagram account just to make a Threads account. Whatever you choose is entirely up to you. Once you've decided and linked it, the rest of the process is pretty straightforward. You can just accept everything, go through it automatically, and it will import all of your Instagram information straight across to Threads. As you do this, you can accept a public profile, private profile, whatever you want to do. You can also import all of your current followers and everybody that you've already got on your list. They will come across as well. Outside of that, the new Threads app pretty much follows everything that Instagram does. So the privacy policy, it's all the same. So if you're familiar with one, using the other one is going to be pretty straightforward. Anyway, that wraps up this guide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.